Mr. Speaker, the board of ICTA, which is responsible for this, is made up of many persons, only one of which appears to have even the faintest idea of what Internet is all about. All of them are from other spheres of profession or trade. Will he, Mr. Speaker, after this debacle, do us all a favor, do this country a favor, to avoid us going into such a ridiculous situation, since he has put it all now on the board of ICTA? Will he arrange to replace the board of ICTA with another board that is more responsive to the needs of this country in terms of digital communications in 2021? Or will he support it blindly?
There's no reason to change the board, Mr. Speaker.
I want to ask one or two other questions. One is, ICTA seem to be backtracking in Perdifas and trying to find a solution. Now, I would like to have the Prime Minister's commitment that now, even though he may not have been aware, I've made him aware of what international experts have said about his being proposed. Can I get his guarantee that he will intervene now, since he is the Minister for ICTA, to tell them to put this consultation paper in the dustbin where it belongs, and to seek to engage with Facebook, with Twitter, with TikTok, with YouTube, so that we can obtain, even if it is at Prime Minister's level, that we can obtain from them satisfaction concerning what is truly harmful to our nation's interests. Therefore, put this consultation paper in the dustbin.
Monsieur le Président, je dois dire que je me suis retenu pendant tout le long de ce private notice question. Je dois dire que le leader de l'opposition a un culot extraordinaire. Le 8 novembre 2007, when Facebook was completely blocked in Mauritius for 24 hours by the ICTA authority, under the chair of Mr. Trilok Dwarka. You know what was the reason? There was a publication on Dr. Navin Chandra Ramgoolam, then Prime Minister of Mauritius. And Honorable Xavier Luc Duval was a minister front bench. Yes. And you didn't have anything to say? No.
Order.
Let me say,
Order.
À la suite de ce poste, il n'y avait pas de consultation, il n'y avait pas d'engagement avec les stakeholders, il n'y avait même pas de communication avec Facebook pour essayer de voir comment, si on peut éviter de telles choses. Non, they just acted, Mr. Speaker, sir. You know what? They sent ICTA sent a letter directing 12 détenteurs locaux d'une licence de fournisseur d'accès à l'Internet. Ils n'ont eu aucun autre choix que d'exécuter l'ordre de l'ICTA. This is the way they proceeded. This is the way they did things. And let me remind the honourable member, he has forgotten, I'm sure, what Trilok Dwarka said in reaction to this. There was an upheaval, of course. Facebook et les autres sites communautaires ne sont pas au-dessus de tout reproche. Il y a des cas de cyberbullying, de violation de la vie privée, d'usurpation d'identité, de fraude en tout genre, et même de pédophiles enregistrés sur ces sites aux États-Unis. Il est clair que nous ne serons pas à l'abri de dérapages encore plus sérieux sur le net, et plus particulièrement sur les réseaux sociaux à l'avenir. Qu'est-ce qu'il préconise, le then président Trilok Dwarka? l'ICTA devrait-elle demander aux opérateurs de bloquer l'accès, même temporairement, à des sites d'Internet en cas de problèmes graves, comme ceux que je viens de citer? And his leader of the opposition was part of that government, now advocating, telling us we should discuss with Facebook, we should discuss with TikTok. I think he's gone TikTok. And,
Order.
ou bien,
Order. Order on
ou
both
bien,
sides.
ou bien,
Order
devrait-
on both sides.
ou bien devrait-elle uniquement attirer l'attention des fournisseurs d'accès? And this is interesting, what he proposed. Il y a tout lieu d'avoir, and this, you must listen to that, il y a tout lieu d'avoir une consultation générale avec les stakeholders afin de dégager une fois pour toutes une politique qui pourrait prendre la forme d'un position paper on social networking. I don't want to read more what he has said, Mr. Speaker, sir. So the honorable leader of the opposition, when he was in government, this is what he did. And now, il est en train de donner des conseils qui sont différents et contraires à ce que lui-même il a fait.
Speaker, sir, with all due respect, this is a very childish reply from a young Prime Minister. Very childish. Very
Honorable leader of the opposition, honorable leader of the opposition, you were doing very well. Please withdraw that.
No,